Hello. I'm the mighty container truck, a heavyweight champion hauling cargo across countries. With me, no load is too far. Hey there. I'm the delivery truck, the real shipper of the road. Fast, reliable, and always on time. I'm the sleeper bus, your cozy companion for long-distance night travel. Hop in, rest well, and wake up at your destination. I'm the coach, the faithful ride for millions. Wherever you go, I'll take you there safely and smoothly. Here I come, the city bus. Every day, I weave through traffic, taking folks to work, school, and everywhere in between. Hello, I'm the electric bus, quiet, clean, and kind to the planet. Ride with me for a greener tomorrow. I'm the open-top bus. Wind in your hair, sights in your eyes, I'm your ticket to the best city views. Small but mighty, that's me, the mini bus. Narrow streets, crowded alleys, no problem. I'm the street sweeper, the unsung hero who cleans up before the city wakes. Every sweep, a fresher morning. Hi, I'm the car, your everyday travel buddy for family trips or solo drives, rain or shine. I'm the pickup truck, strong, practical, and always ready for work or adventure. SUV here, tall, tough, and built to conquer any terrain. From city streets to mountain trails, I've got you covered. Call me taxi, always on standby to whisk you away to your destination, quick and comfy. I'm the electric car, smart, sleek, and emission-free. The future of driving is already here, and it's me. I'm the motorbike, fast, flexible, and fearless on narrow roads. City traffic? Easy peasy. I'm the van truck, silently carrying the world's goods in my closed box. Safe, secure, and steady. Shuttle bus reporting in, always on time, connecting airports, stations, and hotels like clockwork. I'm the Cyclo, slow and nostalgic. I gently roll through old streets, telling tales of the past. I'm the cargo tricycle, small, scrappy, and ready to haul whatever you need through narrow lanes. Tow truck here, your rescue ride when vehicles break down. I show up when help is needed most. I'm the travel bus, built for fun, friends, and faraway places. Let's go make memories. I'm the freight train, long, powerful, and unstoppable, moving tons of cargo across the land. I'm the ambulance. When seconds count, I race to save lives. My siren is a sound of hope. I'm the airport bus, not flashy, but always there to shuttle you between planes and terminals. I'm the gasoline tanker, careful, steady, and always alert. I carry fire, but with safety first. I'm the cement tanker, bringing powdery strength to every building site. I'm the concrete mixer, always spinning to keep the mix fresh and ready to pour foundations for the future. I'm the crane truck, reaching high and lifting heavy, helping build cities from the ground up. I'm the dump truck, tough and loud, hauling rocks and dirt like a boss. I'm the flatbed truck, no walls, no limits. I carry the big and bulky stuff with pride. I'm the vacuum tanker, not glamorous, but vital. I keep things clean by sucking up what nobody wants to see. I'm the excavator, a steel claw with power. Digging deep and building dreams. I'm the bicycle, simple, silent, and eco-friendly. Ride me and feel the wind, the freedom, the peace. Airport transfer bus here, smooth, reliable, and ready to get you between terminals and hotels in style. I'm the sightseeing bus, comfy seats, stunning views, and the best way to explore a new city. I'm the auto rickshaw, the people's ride in busy streets. Small, zippy, and full of charm. I'm the garbage truck, the unsung savior of cleanliness. Without me, cities would be a mess.